Welcome back again to Kim Toxic FX. So basically, we are going to look at this strategy. As you can see, on the 31st of January this year, 2025, we had this push with a lot of imbalances. So, and of course, you know these inefficiencies have to be filled. The market has to retrace back to the inefficiencies. So basically, we need liquidity in order for price to retrace back to our point of interest. So our point of interest is the origin of this huge move. As you can see, there is no liquidity. By liquidity, I mean price retracing back to order blocks or supply and demand zones and reacting from them, leaving liquidity above or below the zones. So as you can see here, we created demand, price retraced, filled the demand and went the direction, and price bought. Next, price created another demand, filled the demand and continued the direction until this supply. So as you can see, this demand created liquidity. So basically, we had liquidity down here. We had liquidity down here. Then price created another demand over here, but then price retraced but it did not reach our demand, leaving inefficiencies. We knew definitely that the market with the right liquidity would be pushed down to fill this gap over here. Price created demand, retraced, filled onto our supply. So this supply, as we had liquidity down over here, we knew that this supply was a high probability supply for price to push down a little bit to fill this inefficiency. So price retraced to our supply over here and it moved down. We clear this liquidity onto our demand. Price retraced because you already have liquidity resting above this supply. As there was a reaction from this supply, we needed a demand to push, and this was our nearest demand. Price reacted from our demand. We had an entry, created another demand over here. We broke structure, retraced our demand a little bit, but as long as it was filled, we had our entries right. Our target was this supply that created this huge move. As you can see, price retraced back to this demand over here like that, and boom, price rushed to our supply.